got a BB by Beauteque box. Stay tuned if you want to see what's inside. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you like unboxings, this year I plan to unbox every beauty box in the world that will deliver to Louisiana. And today I have BB by Beauteque. No idea what's inside? Let's get into it. First of all, let me just say, like the box, I will have this linked for you in the description. And sometimes there's a discount code. Sometimes there's not. You'll have to click on the link to find out. Sometimes beauty boxes cost a little bit less if you subscribe over a certain length of time. But if you don't know if it's any good, these videos are great for that, for helping you decide, is it worth it? Pamphlet. I never look at these. Seriously. Honey lip treatment by the same, spelled S-A-E-M. Love lip treatments. I can't smell it. It smells a little bit like honey. That's cool. Natural botanical honey cream. I'm sensing a theme. This is nice. It smells like lotion. You know what I mean? The Nivea and the Jergens. It smells like cream, lotion, whatever you want to call it. But I'll tell you what, this packaging, cute. Ball Beauty Eye Massager. Cool. I've got a few things like this I'm trying out. These are all Chinese. Wait a minute. Is this true? Is this Korean? I think this may be Korean. I don't read Korean or Chinese. Hey, I'm as surprised as you are about this stuff. May Island Egg Mayonnaise Honey Hair Treatment Pack. Oh, I love it. Fantastic. I'm excited to try this. Listen, if you don't get beauty boxes, they are so fun. If you prefer skincare to makeup, this would be a really good one for you. Oh, that's pleasant. It smells a little bit like honey, mixed in with a little bit of lotiony smell, but the honey is the more strong smell. You know, this is a great, these kinds of boxes are great to try out new products, to get a little bit of pampering in, just something you do for yourself. Renew Peeling Pad and Renew Repair Mask. This is by BioRace. Fun. Oh, I love masks. On Saturday nights on Instagram, I mask. If you're masking too, tag me in your comments and we can talk about what we're doing. I'm going to leave an Instagrammer below and down here where the link for this box will be. His name is Dom and he does all kinds of masks and he's a great Instagrammer. I just thought you might like him. This is by Farmstay and it's Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. This is my very first essence. And the Koreans are known for a 10-step beauty care process, and essence is usually in theirs. Let's get a little bit of this on the back of my hand here. Maybe this thing has to be removed. Oh! I don't know what that was, but I would say that that is the situation. Unscented. I don't really know the best way to apply this. I'll have to research essences. I like it. It's super pretty though. Honey Gold, super pretty. This whole thing is really nice. I mean, there's something to be said for beautiful skincare. That's it. It's over.
Okay, we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half.
6.5. That's a good one. If you prefer skincare and hair care over makeup, this would be a good one to try out. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. You won't want to miss a minute of these unboxings. There's going to be so many new ones all year long. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye.